So today we have the 20 volt cordless leaf blower. Pretty convenient, pretty lightweight. It weighs around 4 pounds. It's super easy to put together and get it running. All you really have to do is hook up the long tube to the electric motor, then you hook up the battery, and you're good to go with the ease of one switch on and off. Each battery lasts up to 30 minutes and they come with their chargers. However, they do recommend you wait 10 minutes before charging it after discharge. I will be demonstrating how to use it shortly.